चश्मा तेनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोरे मुखड़े ते तेनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोरे मुखड़े ते। सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर। नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर। काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे। अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में।
तुझे जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे, वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी। तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटदी ना तो सूढ़ी वे। मैं फेड अप हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन सुन के तेरे दुखने वे। मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला 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 ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते। मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते।
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर।
ओ मैनू
नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर।
ओ मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला।
काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोरे मुखड़े ते।
मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते। काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े ते।
ये सूप है गाइस,
ये सूप है,
टमाटर वाला सूप
मैं तो सूप है,
और ये नमक और ये काला नमक।
ये भी सूप है। अरे तो सब कुछ सूप है। Love my batch.
Amazing.
चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे सुआद रखना।
Over the past 13 years, the brick walls of Vasant Valley School have become our home, and so have these people. They have become our home, our family, and our friends for life. United by our love for food, dancing to Punjabi songs, and our batch anthem Kajrare, we stand together today, graduating as a batch that has each other's backs no matter what. To any outsider, we may seem like a bunch of immature, unruly, and weird kids, but only we know that our madness will take us a long way in life. From conquering our fears of the ghosts of Deena and Bari, to conquering the scariest of rapids in class 12, I think it's safe to say that we've come a long way. Spreading rumors about exams getting cancelled, chanting loudly every time we get an opportunity, changing the time on the classroom clocks, and jumping out of the classroom windows to avoid our teachers are just a few things that we will never forget. Looking back, it's hard to believe that the most rebellious thing we have done as a batch is walk into school wearing grey jackets. Through all the summatives, monthly tests, midterms and finals, our united optimism even in the face of failure is what has helped us survive the past few years. So here's to a batch of misfits, parindas and loose characters, the batch of 2017.
Congratulations everyone for graduating, and I'm so sad that I can't be there for farewell. I'm in London right now, and I just wanted to say I love you guys, all of you. You're crazy, and you're just amazing batch, best batch ever. You're so fun, and I love you guys, all of you, so much. And thank you to all the teachers. I love you guys as well, and good luck to all the batch for boards, and just best of luck for the future. I love you guys. Bye.
Congratulations on graduating high school, and I just wanted to say thank you for all the childhood memories. I'll always remember my time at Vasant Valley, so I'm really proud guys. Good luck for the future, and if you're ever in Sweden, just hit me up. Thank you.
Hi guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything. You guys are the best. Even though in class 5 you didn't let me shit in peace, and in class 8 you nearly broke my nose, but I still love you. All the best to everyone. Hope to see you all soon.
Hey guys, congrats on your graduation, and I guess welcome to university. It sucks, but you're gonna love it, unless you're doing engineering, in which case
Batch video, bro. I don't know what to say. I miss you all. I wish I could be there with you, graduate with you. VVS was some of the best years of my life, and I have you guys to thank for that. So, thank you and good luck. You're gonna do amazing things, and I can't wait to watch that happen. And hey, I'll see you all soon.
Dear class of 2017, congratulations. I have really missed being a part of our batch for the last 3 years, and I'm fondly looking on as you all graduate. I have some very fond memories of Vasant Valley, including the times we enjoyed ourselves river rafting during adventure camps, and our aversion to dressing up in costumes for Founders Day and memorizing shlokas in Sanskrit. I wish you the best of luck for your board examinations, and hope to see some of you in the United States come August.
Congratulations on finally making it to where we all dreamed of being 6 years ago. Each one of you and Vasant Valley School has had such a huge impact on who I am today, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you all for letting me be a part of this journey.
This is the batch of 2017. I love you guys.
What is your fondest memory with the batch of 2017? Aisha? Okay, and what specifically? Like, elaborate. Everyone saying Alagnanda.
But it was like everybody says, okay, Yatra was the best. You know, we spent 12 days together. No, Yatra was terrible. We did lots of very bad things. But yeah. Oh my God. But yeah, no.
Oh, Yatra. Okay, and what? This batch.
I don't know. Please stop.
From junior school time.
Okay, from junior school time. I think that part, okay, if you guys remember in class 5 camp, there was this entire thing that there was a dead drafter in our tent. Yeah, so like basically that was my tent. So we were standing at this place because our teachers were like consoling us.
Independence Day in India, we fly kites.
मम्मम बोले चड्डी में छोले
टाइम के वे कहंदे हो इतनी हो जिस टाइम के दे कहंदे हो इतनी हो
How dare you? तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो। Not fair.
सर, ये तो टट्टी है।
अगर भगवान को देखने की वजह से मुझे घूर के देख रहे थे, तो it's not my problem.
ए, बड़ा मजा दूंगी।
आरोही?
क्या?
कुछ नहीं। बस यूं ही।
When I went to Berlin.
याद से तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं सारे गिन गिन याद से तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं हो इश्क तेरा गढ़ पावे इश्क ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ 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 ਹੋ
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ सर पीछे सर कुछ चेक करो ये सर अंदर कौन है दरवाजा अंदर कौन है खोलिए कौन है दरवाजा तोड़ो अभी क्या अभी जी पीछे तोड़े दो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि अंदर से किसी ने बंद किया है दरवाजा
S4 Oh! Now.
Con los terroristas.
They do the Harlem Shake.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
We entered school as little children who were full of curiosity and wonder, and we set out on a journey together.
All the planes we flew, good things we've been through.
From getting into trouble for ordering room service in Agra, to putting chicken bones in people's suitcases and faking our classmates' kidnapping at camp, we've done it all. We set out on this journey together, and together we have grown into beautiful, talented individuals who are ready to take on the world.
Can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when
It is only in this batch that you will find everyone chanting Glory Glory Man United every Friday in class 7 and people dancing to the tunes of DJ Cats. Dubbed as the last nursery batch, the unluckiest batch, and much more, the batch of 2017 is truly an amalgamation of wonderful, unique and diverse individuals. And the one thing only we know is just how much we all love to dance.
gooder, man, I'm so hood. I'm like a movie star straight out of Bollywood. Here I come, like a supernova. Watch out, I'm a blow you over. Big dip, all game, man, like Babe Ruth. Just pimpin' without a go-to.
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना
ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
Batch movie 2017. No, yeah, Batch movie 2017.
Oh, you just want footage, huh?
यार मार्क्स थोड़ी तो मार्क्स दे दिया.
Mr. Datta, what do you miss about the batch of 2017?
I'm going to miss this batch. I love this batch. And Varun Vasudeva.
So he's not in our batch. That's so sweet.
I miss Mr. Chula.
Oh,
What are you going to miss about the batch of 2017? Aisha's lunch breaks. Can you elaborate a little bit? Aisha's lunch breaks.
Okay, मन में जली हवस की आग, दिल में चले सिंस के राग.
You want to say something for the batch of 2017? I'm tired of it.
Sonam Gupta.
Bewafa.
Bewafa.